Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to install Python libraries to control the GPIOs of the ASUS Tinker Board to toggle it or read from the GPIO. Let's get started. Let me quickly update the operating system and also install all the Python development libraries before we go ahead and build the Python GPIO library and install on the system. And write a simple script. I'm going to import the ASUS GPIO library along with the time library, and I'm going to use the port number, or you can say like the pin number 3 on the board to toggle the output LED. Along with that, I'm going to use the try and catch method to catch for keyboard interrupts so that I can end the program once I hit like Control C or Control X. So here I'm toggling GPIO at 500 milliseconds delay. So I'm going to clean up and go ahead with the execution. I'm going to go ahead and toggle the third pin of the ASUS Tinker Board so that it can toggle the GPIOs. I'm going to execute the Python script now, and as you can see, the GPIO is toggling. I have configured the pin number 5 on the board, the green line, as the input. So I pretty much connected a loopback, that's the yellow, going back to the green. So whenever I toggle the LED, this should also generate an interrupt. So I'm going to go ahead and execute the code, and in the code you should see whenever the LED turns on, it also generates an interrupt. In the upcoming video, I'm going to demonstrate how to enable UART, SPI, I2C, and PWM on the ASUS Tinker Board. So please like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.